Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. On this channel, I create content around smartphone graphic design, and if you are a beginner and you are interested in how to design graphics with your smartphone, this is the best channel for you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified. So on today's episode, I'm going to show you how to install fonts into your Pixellab. So without further ado, let's dive inside our Pixellab. The site that will get our font is called the FONTS. So we'll go and open our browser. We're coming to open our browser and we are searching for the font. So the font.com. So loading, I'll click on it quickly, and this is where we can get fonts for our Pixellab. So I'm going to search for type of font. Let me search for serif. Alright, so I have different fonts over here. I'm just going to download any of them just for the sake of this tutorial. So I'm going to download fake serif. So I'll download it and to be downloaded into my gallery. Now the next thing to do is to go and download Z Archiver, this one right here. If you don't have it already, you are going to download Z Archiver. So for you to download, just go to Play Store, search for Z Archiver and get it installed. Now after downloading it, come back and open it, and then the interface will look something like this. So I'm going to filter this by dates and descending so that I can get the one that I have downloaded recently. Okay, so as you can see, we have the fake serif here. Now how do I import it into Pixellab? So I'm long pressing on it, I'll cut it. For me, I've already created a folder for the Pixellab fonts, so that's why I'm cutting it here. Now I'm going to click on the font folder that I've created for my fonts, and I have different fonts, but the current one that I'm using is the new font collection. So I'll click on the new font collection and you can see the fonts over here. Now click on this paste button over here and it will be pasted here. Now just click on it and extract it here. So usually after extracting it, I like to delete this. Alright, so since I have it in my fonts folder, it will automatically show up on my Pixellab. But in case you are not having any font at all and you are doing it for the first time, come to your Pixellab and then click on the text that you want to change the font, then go to fonts, then you come to my fonts. Now you can see these two. You can see a file button here, you can see folder button here. So what you have to do is click on this folder button here and it will lead you into your gallery where you have stored your downloaded fonts. So mine is in download, at times it is in font, because for me I've created a folder for it, so mine will be showing in fonts. So depending on your location, your file location, you go there and click on it. So I'm going back again. So mine is in what? It's in fonts. I'll just click on it, and then I'll press on any of them, the one that I want to import. I'll click on it. This is when we are doing it manually, one after the other. You click on it, then you add select, then it will automatically be added onto your font list. Now if you use the second one, which is folder, it means that you are going to take all the fonts that are in that particular folder onto Pixellab. So I am coming to fonts again, and I will come to add directory. Now I already have it on Pixellab, so if I click on add directory, I'm going to add another set of the same font onto it, which I wouldn't like to do. So this is the basic way of installing your font or importing your fonts onto your Pixellab. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Now if you want me to do a video on any topic in relation to Pixellab or smartphone graphic design, the door is open at any time. Comment under the comment section, and I'll be there to help. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye bye.